God's words in just name. You bless Jacob, Isaac, and Abraham. God might give God's words in just name. God bless us in just name. God favor us in just name. God bless the Sunday school in just name. God bless the church in just name. In just name, I have prayed.